Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can find logs on the Texas Instruments TI-30XS Multiview Calculator. To do this, we'll be using the log key that looks like this, located here, as well as the ln key that looks like this, located here. Now, the default log base on this calculator is a log base 10, like this. So if we just wanted to find log base 10 of 100, all we would have to do is press log, and then we see a bracket here, enter what we want to solve for, so 100, close the bracket, and press enter. And we see log base 10 of 100 is equal to 2. It works the same with natural log, or ln. If we wanted to find the natural log of 100, we just hit the ln key, enter the 100, close the bracket, and press enter. And see we get a result of 4.60517, etc., which is correct. But what if we wanted to find a log base that isn't 10 or natural log, like, for example, log base 2 of 100? Well, we can't adjust the log bases with this calculator, but what we can do is something called the change of base formula. It looks like this, where we divide the log of the number by the log of the base. So for this example, we would do log of 100 divided by log of 2. So we enter that, log 100, make sure we close the bracket, divided by log 2, close the bracket, and press enter. And we get the result of 6.64385, etc., which is correct. Alright, I hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.